when cutting-edge technology meets long-haul legacy. The 2026 Peterbilt 579 delivers a bold, new chapter in American trucking, built for drivers who expect more from their rigs, more comfort, more efficiency, and more control. This updated model combines refined aerodynamic, intelligent systems, and driver-centric upgrades to redefine what it means to haul freight across the nation. The 2026 version sharpens the profile of the already aerodynamic 579 Ultraloft while enhancing its core features to suit the evolving demands of both fleet operators and owner-operators. Designed to compete with the likes of the Freightliner, Cascadia, Kenworth T680, Next Gen, and Volvo VN. The new 579 refuses to be just another face on the highway. One of the top features of the 2026 Peterbilt 579 is its refined aerodynamic body, now boasting a 2% improvement in drag reduction thanks to tweaks in mirror design, grille shutters, and chassis fan. These subtle changes contribute to major fuel savings over long distances, especially when paired with the Paccar MX-13 engine, an efficient 12.9-liter diesel engine that pushes out up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pounds-ft of torque. With an integrated Paccar transmission and optimized axle ratios, the 579 offers a smooth yet powerful ride, giving drivers both strength on climbs and restraint in economy mode on flats. Secondly, the advanced smart connected diagnostics system ensures fleets stay ahead of maintenance with health monitoring and predictive analytics. This cloud-based platform sends alerts, flags potential faults, and helps reduce critical advantage in an industry where every hour matters. Compared to systems offered by Freightliner or Volvo, SmartTel NQ stands out for its ease of use and seamless integration into Peterbilt's fleet management tools. Third, driver comfort is front and center in the 579 Ultraloft cab. The redesigned sleeper features 8 feet of headroom, a 42-inch mattress, and optimized storage that turns the cab into a functional mobile apartment. The new digital dash and 15-inch high touchscreen add a premium tech feel, offering customizable gauge layouts, smartphone pairing, and truck-specific navigation. Unlike competitors, Peterbilt keeps a balance between tech advancement and tactile familiarity. Over-reliance on touchscreens where buttons are still more practical. Fourth, safety technology receives a major upgrade. The 2026 model includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, and 360 camera coverage, all part of the driver assistance package. These systems rival and in some ways surpass offerings from other brands, especially in responsiveness and driver feedback. Finally, the legacy of the 579 plays a vital role in shaping its future. Since its introduction, the 579 has represented Peterbilt's effort to merge style with function, becoming a favorite among drivers for its reliability and inspiring design.